Number naming fluency. Be sure to call out the name of the number before I do. 15, 23, 4, 39, 72, 51, 98, 67, 84, 12, 20, 3, 88, 19, 37, 75, 61, 92, 5, 17, 44, 59, 11, 7, 96, 32, 14, 49, 60, 81. Well done! Keep up the good work and keep practicing.